Alright everybody, I keep getting asked about changing out wheel motors on the Husqvarna automower. So I thought I'd do a little video and show you kind of exactly how it's done. It's not difficult. So once you get the top body off, this is so the plate is actually, or the top plastic configuration separated. You've got 14 of these Torx 20 bolts that you want to remove. So we'll go ahead and remove those. You can see we got them all removed. Now this top part's actually going to come off, and when it comes off, the cable that attaches the top half to the bottom half is already there. Now I've already had this thing apart a couple of times, so don't mind the missing components. But what you'll see when this is all exposed is right here we have a cable that attaches the bottom half to the lower half. You want to go ahead and remove that, take that out. Then you can set your top half somewhere else. As you can see now, we've got the bottom half exposed, and this shows you in all the componentry where everything is. You've got your main board, you've got a wheel motor here, which we're gonna remove, and then you've got another wheel motor which I've already removed, so you can kind of see what it looks like without the wheel motor in it. The wheel motor, all it's held on with is the cable. Then there's 4 screws on this side, which we'll remove here in a second, and I can show you kind of how that's done. The cables, they're all kind of intertwined and held in with these small plastic clips. I'm going to go ahead and clip the small black plastic one just so we can get that off. You can see that wire comes right on up. We're going to separate that from the motherboard. I'm going to turn this around. Now you can see on this side, right here, this is the hubcap. We just want to remove that hubcap. It just comes off with a screw. And that exposes a 7/8 or 19 millimeter screw, or bolt, nut, excuse me, that we're going to want to remove. Comes off pretty easy. There's a flat washer right below it. I'm going to hang on to those. The wheel simply slides off. That exposes the 4 torque bolts that we were just talking about that we want to remove. Hang on to those for your replacement wheel motor. Now that wheel motor slides out. And that is all there is to removing the wheel motor on a Husqvarna automower 430 or 450X.